Netflix is a global streaming platform that connects local content with international audience. Through a B2B approach, Netflix collaborates with production houses to bring high-potential content into the global market. Before moving forward, Netflix evaluates audience behavior, market trends, and long-term potential to ensure a valuable partnership.
Hey, have you guys noticed? There's been a lot of talk about action thriller content lately.
Yeah, I've been seeing that everywhere.
Same here, and it doesn't feel like as if people are actually talking about it.
So it's really coming from the audience?
Exactly, especially on Instagram and Twitter. People are even making theories.
Yeah, but the question is this just hype or something more stable?
True. If it's just trend, there's risk. Then we need to be sure this is driven by real audience interest.
From what I see, the engagement is consistent, not just a spike.
Do you have any project that fits with this?
Yes, Dragon Production. Their project is getting strong attention.
Alright, this might be worth exploring.
Alright, how do we want to approach them?
Maybe we don't go to formal right away.
Yeah, we can warm it up first.
Right, maybe start from social media.
I can engage with their content first, just interact a bit.
Good idea. At least it's recognized eyes.
Okay, then I will follow up with a formal email.
Sounds good. Let's do that.
They reply, they open up to a meeting.
Nice. Let's have a meeting this week. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce our team. I am Sophie, head of content Netflix.
I'm Nadia from the marketing team. I'm Shiva, I'm handling media and finance.
I'm Naval, data analyst.
I'm Raihan from business development.
Okay, I'm Bintang, I'm the CEO of Dragon Production.
And I'm Rezi as a producer.
I'm Fulki, creative director.
Great, nice to meet everyone. Let's get started.
I will start with a brief overview of the market. We have observed strong growth in the action thriller genre, especially in Southeast Asia, Korea, and the US. Audience are currently more interested in fast-paced storytelling with a strong conflict. From a behavioral perspective, audience tend to binge-watch this type of the content. Strong opening scene improve retention. International content is increasingly accepted. Looking at the project, engagement is already strong. Audience discussion is active, and there is a clear curiosity. This indicates strong potential for global expansion.
Before we go into numbers, we do like to briefly explain how we approach collaboration like this. In our previous project, we don't just focus on distribution. We focus on understanding what the production team needs and how the story can connect with a wider audience.
And we also look at which market fit best, who the audience is, and how to position the story globally without changing its identity.
And with us aligned, we have seen project grow significantly in the global market.
For your project, we are focused on both distribution and strategic positioning.
In terms of timeline, this is the collaboration work. In the first month until third is global launch phase. There is strong promotion, homepage exposure, and algorithm support. In the month 4 until 12 month is growth phase. The audience is expansion, performance optimizing, and then regional targeting. And then after that, in the month 12 is post exclusive phase. You have flexibility to explore the other distribution opportunities.
Usually, the biggest audience growth happen in the first few months.
We base our evaluation on market trends, audience demands, and project potential. Based on this, we would like to propose a deal value at $2 million. We all like to hear your thoughts.
To be honest, that feels a bit low for us. How sure are you? Make sure actually work globally with us?
This is a big step for us because we invested a lot into this project creatively.
And we need to be sure this really worth it, not just exposure.
That's a fair concern. We had similar situation before. Some production terms also had adapts before in the beginning.
But we focus on understanding their story and positioning it in the right market.
We didn't change the core, we just connected it to the right audience.
And this project were able to grow significantly after going global. That's why we see similar potential here.
What make you feel confident?
We need more flexibility and better valuation.
Alright, let's explore that.
Shorter exclusivity will help.
If we just do 1 year, can it work?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay. Then we can reduce the value.
We can adjust the offer to $2.5 million.
That's closer.
But we still need time to discuss internally.
Alright, we understand. Please feel free to contact us once you made a decision.
Good morning, Sophie. This is Bintang from Dragon Production.
Good morning, Bintang. It's good to hear from you.
We've had our internal discussion and we've reached a decision. At first, we had a few concerns, but if considering everything, we see the potential in this collaboration. So we're ready to move forward with 1 year exclusivity and flexible distribution afterward, and the revised valuation of $2.5 million.
That's great to hear, Bintang. We really appreciate it. For the next step, we can move forward to finalize the agreement. Will you be available sometimes this week for a follow-up meeting?
Yes, we shall be available. We can adjust to your schedule.
Perfect. We arrange the meeting and prepare the formal agreement for discussion.
Yeah, that sounds good. Looking forward to it.
Same here. Have a great day ahead.
You too. Thank you.
This process shows that B2B selling is not just about making an offer, but also about understanding needs and building trust. From identifying trends to negotiation to deal, each steps play an important role in reaching an agreement. With the right strategy and communication, a strong and mutually beneficial partnership can be created.